Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 18-foot by 48-inch pool with cleaning kit maintenance tool and vacuum. Keep cool this summer in clear, blue water inside the Bestway Steel Pro 18-foot by 48-inch pool set. This bundle features an above-ground pool, a cartridge filter pump, ladder, pool cover, ground cloth, maintenance kit, pole with a surface skimmer, reusable bag, and vacuum. Constructed from a durable steel frame resistant to rust and heavy-duty PVCs with 3-ply sidewalls, this swimming pool is built to last for years of summertime fun. Product benefits: sidewalls and wall band built from Tritech material to stop extreme wear and stand up to all weather conditions. ChemConnect filter system fights off mold and algae growth while regulating chlorine. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.